Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English lesson. My name is Maggie.
And I'm John.
Hi, John. How are you today?
Hi, Maggie. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good too. Thanks for asking. Today, we are going to practice telephone English.
Telephone English? What is that?
Good question, John. Telephone English is the way we speak when we use the phone. It's a little different from talking in person. We need to use simple words and speak clearly.
I see. So, how do I talk on the phone?
Let's practice. First, imagine you need to call your friend. You pick up the phone, you say, hello.
Okay. Hello.
Great. After you say hello, the other person will usually say, hi, this is name. Who is this?
Okay. So, if I call you, I say, hello, this is John. Who is this?
Exactly, John. Now, let's practice. I will call you, and you answer the phone. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Ring, ring. Hello, this is Maggie. Who is this?
Hello, this is John. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good too. I want to ask you a question.
Great. What's your question?
I want to know, what time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
Thank you, Maggie.
You're welcome, John.
So, after the hello, we ask how are you and then say why we are calling.
Exactly. Now, sometimes people are not at home when you call. What do you do then?
Hmm, maybe I leave a message?
Yes, that's right. You can leave a message. Let me show you how. Let's pretend you call me and I don't answer the phone. I'm not at home. You can leave a message. For example, you can say, hi, Maggie, this is John. Please call me back when you can.
Ah, I see. Hi, Maggie. This is John. Please call me back when you can.
Perfect. Now, let's practice. I will pretend I'm not at home. You call and you leave a message.
Okay, I will try.
Ring, ring,
Hello, this is John. Please leave a message after the beep.
beep.
Hi, Maggie. This is John. Please call me back when you can. Thank you.
Good job, John. You left a nice message.
Thank you. That was easy.
It is easy once you practice. Now, we're going to talk about online meetings. Do you have online meetings, John?
Yes, sometimes. I have them for work.
That's great. Online meetings are very common now. When you join an online meeting, you usually say, hello, everyone, and introduce yourself, like this. Hi, I'm John. I'm happy to join this meeting.
Okay, I understand. So I say, hi, I'm John. I'm happy to join this meeting.
Yes, let's practice. I will pretend we are in a meeting. You say your name and introduce yourself.
Okay.
We are in the meeting now. Hi, everyone. Welcome to the meeting. John, can you introduce yourself?
Hello, everyone. I'm John. I'm happy to join this meeting.
Great job. Now, during the meeting, if you want to say something, you can say, I have a question, or I want to add something.
Okay, I will practice that. I have a question, or I want to add something.
Exactly. Now, sometimes in meetings, we use emails to talk to each other. Let's talk about emails. Do you send emails, John?
Yes, I send emails for work.
Perfect. When you write an email, you start with hello or hi. For example, hi, Maggie, or hello, John.
Okay, so I write, hi, Maggie, or hello, John.
Yes. Then you write the main part of the email. For example, I hope you are doing well, or I wanted to ask about the meeting.
I see. I hope you're doing well, or I wanted to ask about the meeting.
That's right. And at the end of the email, you can say best regards or thank you, and then your name.
Ah, so I write, best regards, John.
Yes. Let's practice writing a simple email. I will pretend I am your colleague. You can write an email to me. Start with, hi, Maggie.
Okay, I will try.
Go ahead. Start your email.
Hi, Maggie. I hope you are doing well. I wanted to ask about the meeting tomorrow. Can you send me the agenda? Thank you, John.
Perfect, John. That's a great email. It's clear and polite.
Thank you, Maggie. That was fun.
I'm glad you enjoyed it, John. Now, let's do a quick review of what we learned today.
Okay, what did we learn?
We learned how to answer the phone and leave messages. We practiced telephone greetings like, hello, and who is this? We also practiced leaving a message. Hi, this is John. Please call me back.
Yes, and we talked about online meetings. We can say, Hi, I'm John. I'm happy to join this meeting.
That's right. And we talked about writing emails. We start with hi or hello, write our message, and end with best regards or thank you.
That was a lot, but I think I understand.
You did great, John. Keep practicing and it will get easier. Thank you for listening today.
Thank you, Maggie. I will practice more.
I'm sure you'll do well. And for everyone listening, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practice. See you next time.
Bye. Thank you.